And the final product is sponsored by Home Depot. Home Depot in Lubbock, Texas, sponsored, is the Baby Bong. We have the little mini Baby Bong for Brandon and Liquor. Yes, the Baby Bong. And the Ultimate Bong, not sold in stores. You have to contact us if you want one. Is the Double Bong. Look at this long ass motherfucker, goddamn. Just about the size of my dick. Almost. Not thick enough though. Damn, look at that shit. How many beers is that gonna fit, Mike? Tell me.
4.
4? Fuck. I'm saying 5, nigga. We'll do 4, 2, 2, and then half and half. All the way to the fucking top, nigga. That's 5. Who's gonna be the guinea pig? Is it gonna be you? Leon, you gonna be the guinea pig, nigga? You? You, nigga? You're gonna be the one to try that shit out first? No? Not yet.
Are you recording that?
Yes, sir.
4 beers.
So if you want one, Mike go first. Mike is? Fuck it. The milk is sour, nigga. The milk is sour.
The milk is cold. Look at the beer. Come on, you go look.
Who?